Citizens of the world, we are anonymous. The Occupy movement has been emerging over the course of the last few weeks, growing into an entity of great proportions. With so many of us subject to the horrendous nature of our government's ill treatment, we can only anticipate that many more will join the movement in solidarity. Occupations have been assaulted with armed forces and chemical weapons. Our brothers and sisters are constantly met with brute force. Co-opters lurk within the movement. Heat, food, and sleeping arrangements are a problem. We must share information, expand solidarity, make sharing resources with each site easier, and let the smaller Occupy sites feel more represented in the movement. We should not only help each other at the individual sites, but assist other Occupy sites as well. Networking and communication is essential if we are to accomplish the goals we have in mind. Our enemies seek to divide and conquer, so we, in turn, must unite. Social media has assisted our movement, but we need to use all available tools at our disposal, as these resources are sometimes subjected to political censorship. TinyChat provides both a chat room and a video conference. Well-established and centralized means of voice, video and text communication, as well as a General Assembly of General Assemblies per region, will only strengthen our efforts. The media claims that the winter will end the Occupy movement. However, if we unite and help one another, nothing can stop us. The police in New York have already removed power supplies from the Occupy Wall Street site to jeopardize the movement on the ground. But we will not let them freeze us out, and we must work together to come up with viable solutions. The authorities forget that we are people just like them, yet they fail to realize that their actions are abusive and seek only to make it known that your rights are not recognized. This will not stand. We realize that this is an international movement and call upon Occupy sites around the world to organize and convene. Only after we have done so, can we begin to establish effective channels of communication and operate in global solidarity. Now is the time to join together in the fight. Operation Flock. Engaged. We are united by 1. Divided by 0. We are anonymous. We are legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us.